March and April are a little unique for second grade. I have grouped the student goal into both months, March and April, because it's a big one. These are the hardest ones for them to learn typically, but I'll have a video separately for March and for April. March is going to be subtracting by jumping back to 10. We're going to warm up with some subitizing. I want you to grab your 20 frame cards, and I want these to be automatic. When you put it in front of them, they know that's 11. I want them to be thinking about 10 and some more every single time. That's 20, 13, 10, 11, 12, right? The reason being is we're going to be jumping back to 10 where we're taking away some. So the more they see this visual, the better. So initially, you're probably going to want to use tools for students who struggle. The students who don't struggle, you could probably skip ahead to number lines, but let's start with tools. So let's start with a -4 because that's just a little bit more friendly. So we're going to do 12 minus 4. So this skill is called jumping back to 10. So I'm going to start by making 12. And students all seem to learn and remember that subtraction is takeaway. And that's why this one works well, because it works for taking away. I don't do this strategy for the ones that are -7, 8, or -6, only because taking away 8 is much more difficult. We're going to do jump up to 10 for this one just to show them how they can add to subtract. But anyway, so this is 12. If I want to take away 4, most students know that if I take away these 2, I'm jumping back to 10, and then I just need to take away 2 more. The answer is 8. You can do several examples with this with the tools, and then you can move on to number lines. Now this is a back-to-back one. You have one with all the numbers, and you have one that's an open number line. I prefer the open number line, but it's okay to start with the one with the numbers. The only reason that I don't like this one is a lot of the times you'll see students do this. They'll start with 12 and they see -4 and they go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then they know it's 8. I don't want that. We're going to jump back to 10 instead. So if they start with 12, they want to jump back to 10. You can see it's 2 spaces. So that's -2. But I have to take away 4. I've only taken away 2. So I have to take away 2 more. And the answer is 8. If you want to do that on the other side, you would do it like this. So here's 12. And sometimes they struggle not seeing all the numbers, so that's okay to use the other side. But if we want to jump back to 10, we know that 12 minus 2 is 10. And I have to take away 4, so I have to jump back 2 more. And so then I know it will be 8 is my answer. Let's do another one, just because that's fun. I love subtraction, and students better love it by now too. Let's do just the open number line, because I think this is the same. You go back 2, and then 3 more. If that's tricky, you can have them think about like 5 on their hand. Like, okay, so I'm starting with 12. I'm going to take away 2 to get to 10. Then I can do 3 more, and that'll get me to 7. All right, let's do 11 minus 5 with an open number line. And we're going to jump back to 10 first. So we'll start with 11. If I go back 1, I know that's 10. I have to go back 5. And so I'm going to go ahead and take 4 away from 10, which if I know my 10 friends, I know that the answer is going to be 6. So practice that with the number lines as much as you can. And then practice jump back to 10. All the -5s, -4s, -3s, those are great ones to do it with. And that's it. I would check just those. Don't check all the subtraction because we're going to be learning jump up to 10 in the next month.